To one and all, myself Birishta. I am studying in 7th A section. Today we tell about Atukuri Malla. Atukuri Malla 1442 to 1530 was a famous Telugu poetess who authored Telugu language Ramayana. She was popular known as Malla or Mallamba. She was born in 13th March 1440 in Gopavaram of Nellore district, today's in Andhra Pradesh state. Her father, Atukuri Kishan Shetty, was the devotee of the Lord Ishvara of Srisailam. He put their daughter name is Jasmine. After the Jasmine, dear to the Lord Shiva. She was the second female poetess of note after Talapaka Timmakka, wife of Annamacharya. She was translated the Sanskrit Ramayanam into Telugu. Malla was pious from the young age of the upon the recommendation of the father's gurus. People from the neighboring villages and would come and listen to her, and the work came to be the Molla Ramayanam. She fame spread. The great king Krishnadevaraya of the Vijayanagara Empire invite to her his court, and there asked Molla Ramayanam. It was to be said there who was the himself great scholars. It was said the king there. The Krishnadevaraya caused upon the of their Ratna Kavi. Thank you to all.